Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a fresh 1971 Nova. This car is bad to the bone. It's got a 450 i4 under the hood, turbo 400 trans with a shift kit, monster Wilwood brakes all the way around. Got 6 pistons up front, 4 pistons in the rear. Super straight body, LED tail lights. "20-inch wheels." Need big wheels like this to fit those calipers in there. Adjustable coilovers. Traction bars. Tilt wheel. Custom gauges, those are digital. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Killer stereo with Bluetooth, amp in the back, and a sub. Kick panel speakers, buckets, B&M shifter. Very small cowl hood. These are Riddlers. Man, look at those cross-drilled rotors, slotted and cross-drilled. Paint is super fresh. Maybe 800 miles on this motor. Front spoiler. High intensity lights up front with halos. Also have those LEDs. Super high power. There she is. Fresh motor, ceramic coated headers. They look like hookers. Monster radiator. Obviously power disc brakes, power steering. Everything's all murdered out in black. Double pumper carburetor. Electronic ignition, blaster coil. And this car is new. It's a Holley. Durashine. Beautiful. It's as nice as it gets. New carpet. Rubber mats. Seat belts. Got a charge port on the end of the shifter. Those are momentary buttons, all lit up beautifully. Showing 14,068 miles on the odometer. Beautiful headliner, LED lights inside. Gorgeous back seat. No expense spared on this car. Monster. Stereo rocks too. Starts right up. Let me touch the gas. Again, Bluetooth sounds, custom audio system. Murdered out gauges. Look at the oil pressure. Amazing. Really cool. Woo-wee. Borla Exhaust. Pioneer speakers. Got a Pioneer amp back there. 5-channel with a bazooka. Car is new. Get a coilovers under there. Brand new gas tank. Love white too, it's my favorite color. Car's got every bit of 550 horsepower. You hear those solid lifters bouncing around in there. Yeah, pretty. Turn the headlights on for you to see those. The halos look really cool. Those are high intensity with a halo. I think the halo switch is in the ashtray. These buckets are new too. This is ultra leather. Very, very soft. It's a ratchet shifter. Bit silver. Beautiful dash. Little shift kit too. No stall. This thing is evil. Whew, she's got some juice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.